I'm finna unbox my brand new backpack. Just got home from school and I look a mess. I keep having my head turned like this because my face looks weird on this side. So I'm just gonna do it like this. I got her from Amazon. Let's begin. I've been using, for the past however long school's been in session, August 5th, today's September 17th, I've been using a dirty, cheap, flimsy backpack. I should go get it. Let me go get it. This is a backpack I've been using for the past month and weeks and whatever. It's from Walmart. It was $2 and yes, it feels like $2 and it's one of those bags that's literally just like a freaking pouch. It's no sturdiness at all and it makes it really hard to get stuff out of here. Also, I be wearing jeans and I guess the dye from the jeans transfers onto here, so it's transferable. And it's just like, look, this is just, my stuff just holding it down. Like there's no stability, there's no structure. It's just a pouch. $2 from Walmart, so I guess I got what I paid for. It was only supposed to be temporary, but it ended up being long term. Temporary for me is like 2 weeks, so I had that for like 6. So I got a new one off of Amazon. That's what it comes in. Oh! I'm very nervous. This bag was $30. It was $29.99. I'm scared. Oh, by the way, I don't know if I said this. This is supposed to be a diaper bag. So that's why it says Mom Inside. I'm pretty sure that's the company. But on the advertisement, it had school stuff in it, so. But then all the reviews were like, of moms talking about, this doesn't even look like a diaper bag. I feel so shag. I was like, whatever. So it says Mom Inside. Unzip our bag, you will find the love from a mom inside. Oh, so Mom made this. Cute. Like I said, I'm so sick of carrying that around. What the fudge? What the fudge? I'm trying to untie this. We got it, it was like the drawstrings were tied. That's what she looks like. Ooh. So this is what my backpack looks like. She's black, she's leather, probably pleather. You know, moms like to save the planet, but she's leather. Look at the base. Sturdy. I gotta take this off. Wow, this has gold hardware. There's 2 zippers. Yes! This was calling my name. Like I said, this was $30. The inside is blue because I saw the pictures. So the inside is a bright blue. And then right here it says Mom Inside. So yes, this is made for moms by moms, but I'm not a mom. Don't plan on being a mom, but I'm gonna use this for school. These are like the scent things that they say don't eat. Yeah, do not eat. Just kidding. I'm about to put my stuff in here and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all how functional this is. Another reason why I got this is that I feel like I'm in my senior year now, so I'm about to be done with school in May. It could not come any faster. I feel like time's going by so slow. So even after I graduate, I can use this for college. I can use this for travel. There's this thing right here that you can like you know when you're like in the airport and you like put your bag on top of your suitcase, but it keeps falling. You put this in between, like this is the suitcase handle, and you put that up there and it holds your backpack, so you can roll your backpack. Yeah! So much space. Like I said, this is made for a mom. So I'm about to put my stuff in here and I'll be back. So I just packed the bag up. It's nice and full. Well, it's not full, it can actually hold more stuff. But this is what it looks like. Very cute. I love it so much. I'm very happy with it. I feel like I can get a lot of use out of this. Oh, it's leather! This is going in the garbage. It is so dirty. And I haven't even had it for 2 months. Literally like a pouch. Like, I can't do nothing with this. I did not absolutely hate it how it was not sturdy and all my stuff was just way at the bottom. I should put it in the toilet. Star of the show. holds so much. It feels so nice. That's what the inside looks like. Oh, it's another zipper I didn't even know. Wow. You put like pads or something in here. Wow. This was definitely worth $30. So I got all my planners, my folders, my calculator, my pencils. My umbrella is back there. You can't even see it. There it is right there. Pouches. Like I said, this was a zipper I was talking about. I did not know that that was there. You could hide stuff in there. It's hardware. It's pouches on the side. So I could put a water bottle or something in here. Oh my gosh, it's made for a water bottle. Look, it's insulated. Come on, Mom Inside. Come on! It has the same thing on the other side. More storage and like easy access. I have nothing back here. I might put like snacks back here. A whole nother pouch. And like I said, this is where you can put your luggage and like roll your backpack on your luggage. And then another cool feature is the bottom. It connects to the main compartment of the backpack. So everything I just showed you, all those folders and stuff, that's what I'm holding right now. And you just push it, and it's what keeps it sturdy. Push it and zip this up. So I don't think I'll be opening this. I guess it's for like if your stuff's getting kind of crowded and you need to let it hang. This looks kind of funny though. 10 out of 10, I'm very happy, very impressed. We're gonna be best friends. What should I name her? I'm thinking something with a T. I'm gonna name her Trina after Trina Vega from Victorious, Danielle Monet's character, because she killed Chicago. Chicago! So this is Trina, and me and Trina are gonna be besties until May 2020 when I walk across that stage. But then after that, we're still gonna be best friends. We're still gonna keep in touch, because I'm probably gonna use her for college.